हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो। जैसा कि लॉकडाउन की वजह से हम लोग फेस टू फेस क्लास नहीं कर सकते हैं, इस वजह से मैंने सोचा कि बैठे बैठे कुछ किया जाए। तो ट्रायल के तौर पे हमने स्टार्ट किया है। यदि सफल होता है तो आगे कुछ किया जाएगा, नहीं तो फिर देखा जाएगा। तो सबसे पहले दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट क्लास इन 10th। तो देयरफॉर इट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट टू नो अबाउट द pattern of the paper. So first of all, I will tell you the pattern of the paper. Just like in 9th class, 10th class also have maximum mark 18 and time of the paper will be 2.5 hour. Okay, time of the paper will be 2.5 hour. And here you have two section A and section B. Section B. In section A we have 4 question, 3, 4. In question first we have 3 part, 1, 2 and 3 here also. Similarly in second question also, in third question also, and in fourth question also. Okay, the first question will be 3 mark, the second question will be 3 mark, the fourth question will be 4 mark. Here the same in second also, in third also, and in fourth also. But in section B we have question number 5, question number 6, question number 7, question number 8, 9, 10 and 11. But out of this 11 question we have to solve any 4 question. First section will be of 40 mark, second section will be also of 40 mark. But what is the difference? The difference is that here you have to choose any 4 question from out of 11 question. Here again the 5 question number 5 is divided subdivided in a 3 part, first, second and third, and here also one part of the other question. Sometimes teachers give 5 marks 2 question, maybe sometime, or sometime 6 4 like this. So here 4 marks 4 question from the second section and 4 question from the first section. In this way you have to do 8 question. You have to do 8 question of 80 mark. 20 mark. For 20 marks you have to do project. And that project we will provide you soon if possible, according to the information of the management. So this is total about the question paper for class 10th. Okay, after that we will discuss about the syllabus.